This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Silberer. Very nice duplex located at Woodland Estates, open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, and many updates. This home has 2 large bedrooms, both with attached full baths and large closets. Den office that also could be used as a guest bedroom, kitchen with light cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, pantry, vaulted ceiling and open to the living area. Large living room with walkout to a patio area and dining room. All this on one level with no steps. For more information, review the details below.